We are getting ready to look at these apartments.
That's what I was talking about. That's a quarter downtown.
Oh, this is nice. It's so pretty.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Okay.
It will be the B2 floor plan.
Okay.
Yes, thank you for doing it in this order.
Ooh, but I love how open.
I do too. I do too. Y'all feel free to open anything up or turn anything off. Yeah, so yeah, that's fine.
Wow, this is nice. And you said this is the smaller one?
This is the smaller one, yeah.
It feels pretty big.
It is pretty big.
It's really open.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love it. This is probably one of my
Leave a comment down below and let me know if you are very particular about the letters on your appliances. They had green letters on their stove and white letters on their microwave, and I just feel like it's tacky. And I feel like for the amount of money that you pay for this apartment, I feel like they should be matching in top-notch, top quality.
This is only the third floor.
That's not bad.
All the way to 5 floors.
Okay.
Hey, get that backsplash.
You said get the backsplash? Oh, you like this?
Yeah. That comes with all of them.
Ooh.
Yeah. What's up, buddy? You checking in?
Oh, wait.
So this is the guest side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, Logan. You can.
For you. So you have the guest bathroom in here with a standard
Nice.
size tub. But I like that it's all tile. It's super easy to clean.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This is really nice.
Thank you.
I like that.
The towel.
Yeah, tile.
And then
Both floors.
now this is the only floor plan that we have that doesn't have a window. Some people say it's okay.
You must have saw me looking at that because that's
Yeah.
I am not okay with it not having a window.
I'm not a big fan of
But I think that's a common thing in these types of apartments.
Yeah.
Come on, Logan.
It's nice.
Washer and dryer.
Yeah, washer and dryer, and that does come with it.
Okay.
What's your name?
Y'all, I was not a fan of the washer and dryer combo sets that they have in their units. I just felt like for $2,000, I'm gonna need something a little more luxurious. I need it to look as luxurious as the front lobby, honey. Yes, but I just feel like stackables, and I know that the stackable units are very common in apartments like this, but I just was not necessarily a fan of the stackables that they had in these particular units.
What? You like it? You see all your toys in the corner there?
Come on. Let's go see the other side. Come on.
He's so cute.
Thank you. You like that, babe?
Yeah. I'll say I'm not a huge fan of you.
Oh, because of the parking? Yeah. This.
I'll show you one over there too. But I love how big big the closets are. I like that they did upgrade shelving in these. Not
Yeah.
Cheap white. Oh no, you're fine. Sorry.
Yeah, it looks nice.
I know. And then this one comes with 2 balconies. So you have one in the living room and one in the bedroom.
So this one has 1 bathroom?
It actually has 2. It's behind the door.
Oh, I was like, wait a minute.
I know, it kind of hides it away over here.
Oh, yes. Oh,
But yeah, you get a huge bathroom.
This is nice.
And then the shower is a walk-in and it shoots out from 4 different directions. It's pretty cool.
4?
Yeah, it's like a waterfall.
Don't touch it, Logan.
He's okay.
How fancy is that?
Yeah. And then they also gave you a little linen closet here.
Huh.
So all the fun stuff us girls collect.
That's pretty dope.
I know.
What is it? Open right here?
Coat
There's a
closet.
button there. Yeah, just push that. And they are all pre-wired for AT&T or Spectrum.
Okay.
So you can do either one. And they're all electric, no gas. You don't have to worry about that.
Wow. Oh, yeah, that is our dishwasher that we have at home. You see that? You like that view?
No. I've never thought about that, but you're right. It's literally an all.
All right.
And I thought you turned it up. I really did. Just because, it's black. Not black, but it's very dark.
They're like espresso color, yeah.
I like to put that in there too.
All right.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Y'all want to check out the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to go down this way here.
Okay.
He's not very cold.
Oh,
So cute.
you like the puppy? Oh.
Say hey, look, roof, roof.
Look, Logan.
Oh.
You know, he's just looking.
How you doing?
And this floor plan, I have them on the corner of every single building.
Okay.
But this is going to have more of a baseball view.
That at 3 is super tempting.
Isn't it nice?
Let's say you can't get lost because if you look way down there, look how far away it is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and if you can't see that, you might need to get some eye surgery. Wow.
This one is huge. It's like a small house.
I love this.
And I love all the natural lighting you get in here. It's amazing.
That's my
Yeah.
specialty. I love natural lighting. This is awesome.
You can walk straight onto the field.
Wow.
Yeah.
But at night it's super cool because downtown's all lit up. You can see out there.
I love this.
Yeah.
We might have to go with this from Lewis.
Yeah, definitely. Not even a question.
I like your little shoes or those little bands. Those little bands.
Walmart specials.
Well, they're cute.
They were like $3 at Walmart.
I would never know the difference.
I know.
It's gross. Thank God I learned that with my nieces. If I do something, they got to roll it the next day. Yeah. They do. So that's the gas in the back.
I'm stuck in this kitchen. Pantry. What's the matter, Logan? You like the windows?
And I love that each bedroom has a walk-in closet.
Oh, wow.
No, he doesn't.
Come on, Logan. Uh-oh. Don't touch the walls.
Yes.
This is the guest room?
It's
Nice.
got a lot of good space in here. And then you got that huge walk-in
Oh, wow.
closet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is super nice.
I like your little joggers, Logan. Those are cute. He's like, I know. This is the gas bathroom.
Super nice.
Yeah.
I love these sinks.
I know.
In the other room. I love the sinks in here. And the floors.
The coolest part about this floor plan is if y'all open up both of those doors, that's a shoe closet.
This?
Yes. So if you open that up, it is a shoe, a linen, whatever you want to use it for.
Wow.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Too bad we only have like how many pairs of shoes per person? Like 3 pairs of shoes. So this can definitely fit a king size bed.
You can definitely fit a king in there.
Okay, come on.
Huge closet.
Yep, huge closet. And depending on where these are at in each building, we have B3s and B4s. Some of them do have a balcony off from the master bedroom.
Oh, okay.
This particular building doesn't have those though.
But it's still nice.
It's really nice, yeah. And they all come with these ceiling fans, and they all come with the pull-down shades. And you guys are allowed to hang like pictures or TVs. We don't care.
Oh,
about
wow.
any of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do y'all allow accent wall painting?
Yeah, you can do whatever.
Oh, wow.
That's fine, just as long as you prime it back.
Oh, my goodness.
I love the showers.
I do too. It's so light and airy in here. I love that.
It is.
I wouldn't even know how to work this shower. It's so fancy. So what are the different knobs on it?
Yeah, so you can turn off, like if you just want the top water come down, you can cut off all the other ones.
Oh.
One's for the wand, the middle one's for the 2 that come out of the bottom and the middle, and then the top is for the top one.
Got you. Wow.
And people look at me like I have 4 eyes, but these are real drawers. I've been to so many places that have fake drawers.
Yeah,
so
I
just
can't stand
yeah.
that.
I just like to blink that out.
Wow.
Okay, wait.
What?
I'll let you brag get these open.
They don't. They don't open.
Let them be great,
No,
Louis.
let's do it. Let's do it.
Sheesh. I love this. Come on, Luz, where you going, man?
You want to check it out?
Come on.
Yeah.
This is nice.
I love how open that area is. I don't know about y'all, that's where I hang out.
I would. That's what I would.
Yeah, go for it. That's fine.
All right, y'all. So, yeah. So, what do you think, babe?
No.
Yeah.
It just didn't even feel right. Like when I go to apartments, I like to picture myself on moving day because that's just like the best feeling day.
Yeah.
I didn't get that feeling.
I got dark feelings.
Yeah,
It's the countertops
it's
for
the
me.
countertops, man. He got to chill with those countertops, and then he got the nerve.
Niggas, what?
He got the nerve
The nerve of what?
to have them green letters.
Oh, what green letters?
That's what I was pointing to. And he was like, "Oh, he likes the microwave." No, nigga.
Oh, no. I seen that. Oh my gosh, I seen that. Listen, y'all, we are some very peculiar people. The apartment was nice, but y'all, we do not like dark countertops. And I think I kind of rubbed off on Louis a little bit because, you know, Louis never really cared, right? He never really cared about that stuff.
Yeah.
Until I came along.
Well, that and until I started to like get into investing and seeing how some investors do their apartments. And the black countertops, I'm just not a huge fan of it. But this I've seen this guy's other apartments and townhomes and condos, and he uses it everywhere.
Yeah.
Everywhere. And his stuff is high dollar. Well, according to Greensboro, it's high dollar.
But yeah, some people really don't care about stuff like that. And then another thing that we actually care about is, excuse me, the
color of
the letters on your appliances.
Yeah.
Call us petty, call us whatever you want to call us, guys.
And they had
but-
mismatch appliances.
yeah. So this apartment, how much was it?
Yeah, like
It was like 2,000, anywhere from 2,000 to 27,000.
It was just like 2,700.
Why are the letters on the stove and the microwave not matching? Like, you have green letters on the stove and white letters on the microwave. That's tacky. Y'all charging too much rent for that. Anyway, so yeah, that was that. Now we are getting ready to go do some shopping for the kids. I don't know if we're gonna do shopping for the kids' beds or